तो बोलते मम्मी हरिद्वार से लाई
That we used to call the Mauplang Sacred Forest. Okay, guys? Or in our local name, we can call the Pavitra Jungle. Okay? So this is a forest also now. We're standing here more than 800 years old. If we're standing here more than 800 years, we know this forest as the untouched forest. The untouched. Okay? The meaning of the untouched is mean like we can touch whatever is there in the forest, but the main one that we cannot pluck or take anything from the forest.
Okay.
Okay? If someone pluck or take anything from the forest, we the guy, we don't do anything. But the god of the forest will do something at the nightmare. Okay? Because in this forest also, we still believe that we still have a deity in this forest. The name of that deity, we call Labasa or Laibasa. Yes, Labasa. Okay? And the total big of the forest is around 80 hectares. It will be made around the 192 acres like that. Okay, guys? And this forest has been divided into 3 sections or 3 parts. What is over there is the first section, second one, and a third one over there. First section we can call the Laktarkang. Second one we can call the Pepandi. And the third one we can call the Lanukandri or the Lawadang. Inside the forest, you will see like a medicine tree, a ritual place, and you will see one of the three which is very sacred or which is very holy for the Hindu religion. I hope all of you guys from here are Hindu?
Yes.
All of you know? Or any one of you are different religion from here? No one? Okay. So you will see one of the three which is very spirit or which is very holy for you guys. I hope one experience inside the forest, I hope all of you will know about that tree. Okay, guys? So come, I would like to explain. I will explain you inside. Okay? So come, I'll explain some more inside the forest. But the main one inside the forest, guys, please don't make too much of noise. Keep it silent. Because inside the forest is very calm and it's very peace. Okay? Yes, come. The line? Okay, anyone else? You don't have to check which mukhi. No. No? For you guys, anyone else? No one. Okay. Rakshana, which have a different kind of mukhi. A different kind of the power. The one mukhi Rudraksha we know as the most powerful Rudraksha. That one we know as the Lord Shiva. And the one which is very cost is the one mukhi Rudraksha. Sometimes to buy this one mukhi Rudraksha, it's better to buy the Brahmin kind. One piece is cost 1 or the 25 flats. It's very costly, the one mukhi Rudraksha. But it's very powerful and it's very holy. Okay, guys? And the 2 mukhi Rudraksha we call Shiva. I hope you know those 2 gods. For a couple one, if they want to stay a strong, happy life for both of them till the day they will die, what is good with 2 mukhi Rudraksha. Sample this are, so this is the Rudraksha. Okay, this is the Rudraksha. This is Shiva, a Parvati. Shiva will hold for the men. Parvati will hold for the woman. A man's heart like a Shiva, woman's heart like Parvati. If for the couple one, if they want to stay a strong, happy life for both of them, like the way the Shiva and the Parvati have strong, happy life, they used to keep it the 2 mukhi Rudraksha. Maybe a husband or a wife, or maybe a boyfriend, girlfriend, they can wear it. Or if they don't like to wear, maybe they can keep in their bedroom, puja place, bag, pocket, wallet, as they like to keep it. Okay. As for the couple one, if they want to stay a strong, happy life for both of them till the day they will die, always smiling in their face, they can keep it 2 mukhi Rudraksha. Remember. Okay, guys? And the 3 mukhi Rudraksha, we can call the Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. The 3 mukhi Rudraksha, like you guys who travel different places all around India, you can carry with the 3 mukhi Rudraksha to protect your life. Lord Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. This 3 gods is protect the Lord Shiva tree from the bad evil spirit. This means for you guys also, if you want to protect you from the bad evil spirit in your life, you can carry with the 3 mukhi rudraksha. Okay? And the 4 mukhi rudraksha. Anyone of you are school, college from here?
School.
School? For you?
School. College.
Anyone else? For you at the back? Okay, for you guys? Okay, good. For you also. Okay. So like, one question for this 4. What is your future life? What is your aim? Don't be shy. Tell the truth.
What's your aim? I don't know.
Okay, I don't know. You want? I don't know. Okay. For you, brother?
I'm preparing to become a doctor.
So, a doctor. One, I get. For you?
Taking over dad's business.
Okay.
Dad's business. Not yet decided.
Not yet decided. Okay. So I think for the parent, those like sample these 2, they are very proud of his own son. He want to become a doctor. These parents are very proud of his own son to become a businessman. Okay. If you the parents, if you think for your children, just only one day, and hospital also, till they will get their own future life, give them with the 4 mukhi rudraksha. The 4 mukhi rudraksha is the one of the rudrakshas bring the bright for the future for the children. Okay. And if the parents think for the children come true in the future life, mostly you to give them with the 4 mukhi rudraksha. Because the 4 mukhi rudraksha is very help them for the future or come true in the future life to become success in the life is good with the 4. Okay guys? And the 5. What is good for the family? The 5 mukhi rudraksha is the one of the rudrakshas bring the bright for the future of the family. If the family, if you want to be like the branches like the tree, the family, if you want to be shining like the star, they just keep with the 5 mukhi rudraksha. The 5 mukhi rudraksha is not helpful for the positive energy, not helpful for the BP, not helpful for anyone. But the 5 mukhi rudraksha is helpful for the family only. In the scientific name as the Khasi Pinus Cassia. I hope you know.
Khasi Pinus
Cassia. It's a local Khasi pine tree.
pine tree.
This kind of pine is very rare to get in Giant Hill or Garo Hill though. It's one of the pine is very local from the Khasi Hill only. So that's why it's called Khasi Pinus Cassia. From this tree with the Khasi people over here, we can use to make a medicine, which is very helpful for the asthma and for cough, sneezing. And we have this a pine needle leaf. From this the pine needle leaf, we the Khasi people over here, we can use to make a sleeping mattress or soft mattress. A brown in color, we used to make mattress. A green in color, we can make oil or a tea like that. Okay guys? So at the same time guys, now, this is a tree that you will know, the Kashmir and the Himalayan pine by check the bark of the tree. The Himalayan pine and the Kashmir pine, the bark of the tree is very thin and small. But can check this a local one, it's very big one and a huge one. Okay guys? And this one known as mushroom. This type of mushroom now is called the wooden mushroom. Wooden. Okay. This type of wooden mushroom, in China they call lingzi. In China for 1 kg costs around for more than 1.5 lakh for 1 kg. They used to make a medicine, but over here we don't know how to make. So that's why we call the wooden mushroom. Okay.